Hey, this is my mirraco bike check. Here we go. White grips, mirraco handlebars, stock mirraco lever, stolen whip cable, mirraco headset, mirraco shorty frame, custom silver and red rims, mirraco forks, Shadow Conspiracy seat. Seat looks pretty cool. I like that seat. It's pivotal. Federal slammed pivotal seat post. That's about 75 millimeters. So it's like that long. It goes down to like right there. It's really, really short. It's really light too though. White demolition seat clamp. Yeah, don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's what it is. Poverty, Carmi, 3-piece crank, logo, magnesium platform pedals. They got really tall, pokey things. Little, yeah. They hurt a lot when you slam your shin into them. 40-tooth front sprocket. That's stock. Then 16-tooth rear and gold chain. Got blue valve covers. Well, okay, yeah, blue valve covers. And then front and rear 20 by 2.125 tires. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that either, but whatever. Yep, that's my bike. Hope you liked it. Yep, okay. It's my mirraco bike check. Thanks. Bye.
But I to keep a level head.